My dear children, today we are going to discuss another JEE advanced question from sequence and series. It is a numerical type question, advanced question 2022. Okay, the question is, look here, let L1, L2, etc. L100 be consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression with a common difference D1, and let W1, W2, etc. W100 be consecutive terms of another arithmetic progression with a common difference D2, where D1, D2 is equal to 10. For each I equal to 1, 2, etc. 100, let Ri be the rectangle with length Li, width Wi, and area Ai. If A51 minus A50 is equal to 1000, then the value of A100 minus A90 is. Okay, let us start. We have the result area equal to L into LW, L into width. Here AI is equal to Li Wi. L1, L2, etc. are in AP, W1, W2, etc. are in AP. That is given. Also given that A51 minus A50 is equal to 1000. What will be A51? A51 means L51 W51 minus L50 W50 equal to 1000. L1, L2, etc. are in AP. Then what will be L51 is L1 plus 50 D1. Its common difference is D1. And what is W? What will be what W51? That is W1 plus its common difference D2. 50 D2. W1 plus 50 D2. Minus here it is L1 plus 49 D1 into W1 plus 49 D2 equal to 1000. As per the question, this is our equation. Okay, we can expand the brackets. L1 W1 plus 50 L1 D2 plus 50 D1 W1 plus 50 square D1 D2 minus L1 W1 minus 49 L1 D2 minus 49 D1 W1 minus 49 square D1 D2 equal to 1000. Here L1 W1 cancel, then 50 L1 D2 minus 49 L1 D2, that is L1 D2. 50 D1 W1 minus 49 D1 W1, that is D1 W1 plus 50 square D1 D2 minus 49 square D1 D2. Common factor is 50 square minus 49 square D1 D2, that is given as 10 equal to 1000. That is L1 D2 plus D1 W1 plus, when simplifying, this will be for 50 square plus 49, 50 plus 49 into 50 minus, that is into 10 equal to 1000. That is L1 D2 plus D1 W1 is equal to, that is equal to, this is 990, take into right hand side, you will get 10, that is 10. L1 D2 plus D1 W1, that is 10. Okay, and we have to find out A100 minus A90. We have to find out A100 minus A90. This is equal to L1 plus 99 D1 into W1 plus 89 D2 minus L1 plus 80, this will be 99. And what is A90? L1 plus 89 D1 into W1 plus 89 D2. In a similar way, again you expand the brackets. This is equal to L1 W1 plus L1 D2 into 99 plus 99 D1 W1 plus 99 square D1 D2. All terms will be minus here. L1 W1 minus 89 L1 D2 minus 89 D1 W1 minus 89 square D1 D2. Here also some terms will be cancelled like this. This is equal to 10 L1 D2 plus 10 W1 D1 plus 99 square minus 89 square D1 D2. L1 D2 plus W1 D1 already we got, that is 10. That is 10 into 10 is the common factor, 10 into L1 D2 plus D1 W1, that is 10 into 10 plus 99 plus 89 into 99 minus 89 into D1 D2 is given as 10. D1 D2 is given as 10. That is equal to 100 plus. This will be how much? Into 10 into 10. Okay. This gives the answer. Our final answer is 18900. This is our answer. It's a very important type question. The question from sequence and series. Okay, see you again next time. Thank you.